Welcome to Harold and Maryland blogs. I mean, Maryland and Harold blogs. Good morning, Mayo Buntang. Well, this is just a video. I have my screen up, but this is just a video to show what I got in the mail today. So I'm gonna put my phone. All right. So let's open up and see what I got. And got an Amazon package here. There you go. Better if I cut the top and then the sides. Oh wow. This is the Cinco transmitters. Wireless microphones. It's 2 microphones and 1 transmitter. They're digital. It's kind of like the Rode Goes, but this is a cheaper version, more affordable. And according to reviews that I've seen, they're pretty good. So I had to order these. Right now they're on eBay going for around $129, $119. So these are good. Like for interviews, or if you're blogging outside. They also have the noise filter. Oh wow. It's a nice little box. Oh, the installation papers. And it comes with a nice little case. Has a good feeling to it. It's pretty nice. There you have the 2 microphones and the transmitter. And on top you have, on this little socket here, you have a bag. Let's open it up. These are all the wires for your camera, the charging cord, because these have built-in battery, so you charge these. You have the built-in cords for your phone and for your camera. It's pretty cool. I like the smell of new stuff. But they have a clip. They have a clip in the bag, as you see. And all you do is open the clip, and you will clip it just like that. Let me see. Yeah, that's the way it goes. You clip it all like that, and the receiver will go in the device. But yeah, it's pretty cool right here. And then on this one, on this little bag, I'm pretty sure it's the dead cats. Oh, you have two dead cats right here to reflect the wind noise from whenever you're outside in the outdoors. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna connect them and see how they sound, and we'll see from there. We'll see how they sound, and let's give it a little test.